So let's talk about the Robinhood app for a second and just give you a little bit of background. You could basically trade for free. There's no commissions to buy and sell securities on the Robinhood app. In fact, they were perceived as such a competitive threat to the other online traders like Schwab, TD Ameritrade, and E-Trade that they all recently announced that they're going to be offering free trades as well. Why? Because they realize where their new customers, the millennials, are going. And you know what? Schwab is known for, and I see this because when I am sometimes quoted on CNBC about personal investor trading, Schwab and TD Ameritrade are more like, what are the boomers doing? And Robinhood is more like what the millennials are doing. I think that makes a lot of sense. So that is one thing. When millennials are trading on Robinhood, and I speak to millennials who are trading on the Robinhood app. So this is what gives me this information because I speak to people. You see, I speak to people before I make a judgment. And even after I speak to people, I prefer not to judge because it's their business. You see how that works? So what I'm going to say to you is that the Robinhood app has really, in a lot of ways, become like the new social media for that age cohort that enjoys trading. To me, it's more like one giant learning experience, not necessarily millennials throwing all of their money into the Robinhood app. They're not putting all of their net worth, their safety, or their 3 months of expenses in the bank or 6 months of expenses. It's a learning experience, and it's like a community. It's like a social media. And they talk about it. They text each other. They talk on Reddit. They do all these things because it's become like a social, fun thing to do. And once you realize that the Robinhood app clients, the investors, the traders, once you realize that they're more like a community than than bulls running down, I don't know, the field, okay, whatever, over the cliff, right? It's a community and people are learning. And what better time to learn and even risk pissing away some money than when you're young? When are you going to learn this? Those are my comments on the Robinhood app. It ain't so bad, folks. Let's stop knocking it